Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Apple's smart battery case for the iPhone XS. Now there's a little bit of a funny story behind this one. Recently I went to the Apple store with my dad and I was telling him about this case in the car. I showed him a couple pictures. He said it was ugly as hell and he didn't want one. And when we got to the store, we did a little bit of looking around. After doing a little bit of playing with it and getting a feel for it in the hand, and long story short, we left with two of them. One for the XS and one for the XS Max, which I don't have here. It's on his phone downstairs somewhere. But I have the one for the XS here. Not too much on the box, very simple packaging. So we're going to slide it open, and here's the case itself in the box. We're going to pull this up, and then there's a little packet inside. Let me take a look at that. Your 1-year limited warranty, smart battery case, operator's manual, and then this very simple, I guess we'll go with, very simple glyph of how to insert your phone into the case. No Apple stickers, which I honestly did not expect, but I was still disappointed when there weren't any in the box. The case itself is actually very small. I've been using this for like the past 2 days, so it's a little beaten up. I have another case for the XS, or for the 10 and XS. I have the battery case from Swaller, which is a little different. I made a video on it up here, and if you're looking to save a quick buck, it's kind of better, but this is awesome and I love it so far. And as far as design goes, you know, there's still that hump, but it's much less pronounced on the Apple case, and the microfiber coating goes all the way up to the top. Still same flex mechanism to insert your phone. Do I have a lightning cable somewhere so I can just demonstrate? I do. Aha! I have a lightning cable. See the lightning connector there and your lightning port there. We're gonna plug it in, and there's a little LED here that will glow orange if it's charging and not fully charged, and it will glow green when it is fully charged. And this also works wirelessly, so I have my space gray wireless charger from Aki. You can see we get our LED down there. You have your cutouts, the lopsided microphone and speaker grill, your mute switch, and your camera cutout. I just want to mention, I don't think I've seen anyone mention this before, but the buttons are actually a gray versus more of a black to match the Apple logo, so it's kind of a two-tone look, which is really cool. And then we're going to slide my phone in. Just put it in like that, and then slide. And then there you go. My case is currently at 14%. I believe most of them ship dead. Mine and my dad's shipped dead, so we had to charge them. Now, I've noticed a couple things about this case that I really enjoy that I'm not going to go over today. I'm going to go over in a video reviewing this. But so far, $130 versus $40. This is not me just being an Apple sheep wanting to buy everything that Apple makes. I like this one a lot better. It's smaller as far as capacity goes, and it is significantly more pricey, but it's amazing so far. I've only had it for 2 days, technically 3, but 2 days of full usage. Come back in about 2 weeks, I'll give you the full rundown on this, and I'll give you my final recommendation. So, short video guys, I know, but that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon so that way you don't miss my review on this coming soon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.